Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video, I am gonna tell you about Boat earbud sound problem in your Boat earbud. So let's start the video. So if there is any problem sound related, one is working, one is not, or there is loud music on one earbud and less sound on one earbud too. So firstly you have to reset these earbuds with this button. Long press it, reset it, and then reset to your mobile phone. Also reset Bluetooth and then connect to it. If this problem occurs only, so this is one earphone is damaged or it is might not be working. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.